we go. There's a fish of the year.
Just a cute little brown.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Nice dark. All right, on the board.
Excellent.
He hit it immediately. He was like on the edge underneath the ice by that rock there. He just hit it before I even really realized it was in the water.
Here we go.
Hey, all right. That's a nice one. Color on that thing.
Come on, dude. Nice, stuck on the net.
And Ron is finally on the board for 28.
Hey, right. First fish of the year. It's a nice 13-incher. Little male. Grab that. Just pull it off. That's fine. Yeah, there's a nice fish. Get him back in the water here quick. Looks right around 12. 13 and a half.
Nice one. Beautiful.
Pretty fish. Real yellow. So did you hear all of the, or maybe it wasn't on DTA, but I was reading something. People are like, oh, the guy that, there we go, another one. A guy was talking about he doesn't like to stress the fish until it's over 30. And I said, you know, I catch a lot of fish, and if every, yeah, cool, super spotted. Usually he's right there. There he is.
Nice. That's a nice fish.
There we go, fish two. There we go.
Solid 12, 13-inch fish.
He's gonna do better with the pliers.
Crushed it, eh?
Yeah, you did crush it. Come on, buddy. Trying to get you out of here. Don't fucking do it. Come on, relax.
Smaller forceps.
There's another decent fish. Right at about 12. I'm not going to bother with them on the... It's usually where they are, is right at the tail whip there.
Oh,
Big one.
big old orange flash. Oh, not huge, but probably a 14.
Come on, dude. Let's get him in there.
Right where that shelf, yeah, right there. Came out of one of those rocks.
Got him.
There he is. That's the fish.
Really bronze. Look at how bronze that guy is. Another nice brownie.
Surprised he swung again.
Look at how bronze that guy is on the top. Oop. Super,
Yeah, no, that's what I saw when he first
super bronze. Looked like a smallmouth top.
The open, and I almost thought about stopping.
Oh, was it really?
Yeah. Well, because of... Oh, there's...
There we go.
That
is a nice fish. 14, something like that, 15.
He's really pink.
Yeah. Yeah, aggressive bite. He was pulling good. Oh, there's another hit. Another hit right there.
Let's go. He's got that problem where he's got all 3 hooks, so I can't pull one direction.
There he is.
Nice. Right under that weed man, huh?
Yep. This is a little guy. About an 8-incher. 6-incher. This guy's got spots like nuts. Look at how spotted this dude is.
Yeah.
Not black like that one you had, but oh, he was so lightly hooked. About 8 or 9, something like that. Pretty fish.
Oh, fuck, that was a nice fish.
There we go. Draggle. Here's a nice fish.
That is a nice fish. Got him?
Yeah.
That's a 15, 16 incher.
There's
right
a nice brown.
That's what we're here for.
Nice brown.
Oh man, that's a big one. It's gotta be 16.
Yeah.
Look at the type on that thing.
Yeah, he looks good. Nice brown.
Quick rod roll.
Yeah, look at that guy. I am on, yeah? Numbers flashing?
Yes. 16.
16 and a quarter.
Alright.
Nice fish. We'll let him go. Excellent. Hit like a ton of bricks. Not summer bite, but still good. Hey, alright. Looks like a decent one too.
Not that nice.
Now, how would you feel seeing a 20 flopping over and over in the weeds and you have no cast? Just make a big splash. Yeah. Yeah, the brush tufts definitely give you absolutely no cold to your body whatsoever.
My toes are cold.
Yeah.
But that's mostly because I was sweating when we first started walking.
Gotta get rid of some ice here.
Chilled.
Get rid of some ice. Oh, there we go. That's it. Yep. This is another nice fish.
Ooh,
This is a nicer fish.
drag. Jesus.
That's a nice fish. Another nice brown. Ah, come on, buddy. Don't do that.
That might even be closer to 18.
What the fuck did you do to yourself here, dude? What the fuck happened here? Don't you fucking break my net, dude. God dang it.
Get it deep or is it just all tangled up?
Ah, there we go. No, he's not hooked badly at all. But there's another nice long brown. That's a long skinny jobber.
Yeah. Wow.
Another nice long brown.
It's gotta be 18.
18.
Hold it up for the pickup truck.
18. Nice fish.
Fish.
And he looks okay.
back.
Oh, here we go.
Jesus Christ, man. Where do you get all the big baskets?
Another nice one though. He's just more pissed off, you're right. Another nice 15-inch fish though, 14-inch. Oh, don't wrap yourself up, buddy. Come on, we don't have to do that. It's dark.
Yeah. Long and skinny again.
That's what I expect to see in winter fish, you know, spawned out and not much food around. Another long, this guy's really bronze too.
Yeah.
Long skinny guy.
Oh, fucking.
He's at 15. I'm back in. As the weeds start, it rises there. Only probably about 20 feet out. There we go.
Jesus, man. How are you getting all these big fish? What are you doing different?
Getting lucky. Getting lucky. We got the same lure, right? Yeah, pretty much.
4 in gold.
Another nice brown. Wow. I do know where to cast on this river though, so I probably got you a little bit. Probably got you here on that.
That's a chunkier one.
Yeah, we got a little more weight to him. Red bellied.
Kravitz and I were joking the other day about how he needs to go fish on the Wonderland. I told him, take your auger.
Another nice 14-incher probably. Take your auger? Yeah, I bet that's frozen. What would you say?
Oh, God.
You know how slow it is anyhow. I mean, I can't imagine. But it was quite seasonable, you know. It was...
Yeah. I mean, it was definitely better. It wasn't terrible. It wasn't like I didn't want to go outside. It's just there wasn't as much going on, it seemed like.
There it is.
That's the cast, huh?
That's the cast. There he is.
There he is.
Another nice 14. They are active right now. Holy cow. That's a full-on hit.
Yeah, mine was too. He fucking crushed it. It wasn't even that big a fish. It felt like a monster.
Nice one. 14, 15, something like that.
Yeah, the way you set that hook, I thought you had a freaking 20 foot.
Well, I was prepared that I needed to maybe set it like that. Oh, look at how bronze that guy is. Beautiful fish.
I think the reason that that's the way to do it is because nobody else does that.
Yeah, hell yeah. No, there's... There we go. Another brownie. Fatty. Junker.
That's a fat ass 9-inch brown.
Yeah, chunker. Belly.